Video 1 here, and I'm here to show you a tutorial of how to do. What did I do? Oh yeah, by the way, this is from CryptFriend. I actually put it in out because it's really cool. So, like, when I give him credit on this is what CryptFriend made. Let's show this first. Nailed it. Thank you, CryptFriend. That's just my head. Yep, that's my head. What else did I make? Let me show you. I made that stuff that it actually didn't work because it was beautiful doing it. But the real thing that I was gonna show you is this. So you're gonna need this, this, and this, and this. So you put one over here, and you put one over there. Oh wait, what's something like this? There we go. And I also did one of this. So then what I do is I put the contraction over here. Whoop. And there you go. If you wanna do like with dispensers, like let's start right here. I'm gonna show you why it doesn't work. Whoop. It doesn't work because of that reason. What? Jabutt. So you see, it still doesn't work. But when it wants to work, let's see if I get it. He only shoots like not that fast. I have seen people do it like a gun, like brr, brr, brr. I just sound like I'm a number. I don't care. Look at that. Come on me, bro. So yeah, but I can put it with something else and it can be something that I use later. So what about, yeah, I got that. So then what I did was this, and I did it this fast because, you know, look at this. That was so fast, but that's how you do it. Just like a little example tutorial of how to do it. Oh, and I also made this L1, the hole. If you step in here, you step into a nice trap ready to burn down. And this is the push. There's only stairs and you walk over them. So yeah, I was gonna show you this video. I really hope you enjoy it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Maybe next week I'll make a better video for you guys. But yeah. Oh, what I did was like put dirt on the bottom and wood on the other side. And if we hit 100 subscribers, I might give you something special, like something pretty awesome to you guys. So we'll have to find out when we get into that number. Well, see you in the next episode, guys. Peace.